Hello friends, welcome back to my channel HalfTuber81. Today I am going to share about a very special and useful plant, the Ginger Shampoo Plant, also known as Zingiber Zerumbet. It's not just beautiful but also gives us a natural shampoo straight from the plant itself. It has been growing in our backyard since many years, but I came to know about its benefits last year itself. So I decided to share it with all my YT friends. So let's get started with our star plant, the Ginger Shampoo Plant. These red cones look like little pine cones, but they are actually flower heads. As they mature, they store a clear, slippery liquid inside, and that's our natural shampoo. My dear friends, before we move ahead, I want to share something important with all my YouTube friends. While shooting this video during the monsoon, I actually slipped and fell on the wet ground. I had to be hospitalized for a few days, and that's why I couldn't continue shooting right after that day. So please, whenever you are shooting or walking outdoors, especially in the rainy season, be very careful. Wet soil and pathways can be slippery. Move slowly and always wear shoes with good grip. दोस्तों, मैं चाहता हूँ आप सब ध्यान रखें बारिश के दौरान या गीली मिट्टी पर शूट करते वक्त बहुत संभाल कर चलें। एक छोटी सी फिसलाव भी बड़ा नुकसान कर सकती है, इसीलिए सेफ्टी पहले, शूट बाद में। Now let's talk how to propagate this. The ginger shampoo plant grows from rhizomes just like our normal ginger. Take a healthy rhizome with a small hybrid and plant it about 2 inches deep in well draining soil. इस प्लांट को हाफ शेड एरिया में रखिए। ये ह्यूमिडिटी और इनडायरेक्ट सनलाइट पसंद करता है। रेगुलरली पानी दीजिए, लेकिन मिट्टी सॉगी ना हो। In a few weeks, new shoots will appear, and by the end of the season, you'll have beautiful red cones again. Let's learn some care tips. Keep it in a partial shade. Water regularly, but avoid overwatering. During winter, the plant may go dormant. Don't worry, it will sprout again in spring. To extract the shampoo, just press the cone gently like this. You'll see a clear gel coming out, smooth and fragrant, just like natural conditioner. You can use it directly on your hair. It cleans, softens and gives a beautiful shine. You know friends, we often spend so much money on chemical shampoos and conditioners from the market. But if we grow amazing natural plants like this ginger shampoo plant, we can save a lot and at the same time use something pure and eco-friendly. सोचिए दोस्तों, हम रोज़ कितना पैसा खर्च करते हैं शैम्पूज़ और कंडीशनर्स पर, लेकिन अगर हम अपने गार्डन में ऐसे पौधे उगाएं तो हम पैसे भी बचाते हैं और अपने बालों को नेचर का असली टच भी देते हैं। इससे बेटर नेचुरल हेयर केयर और क्या हो सकता है। I even mixed a little aloe vera gel with this shampoo liquid because aloe vera is amazing for hair. It helps in hair growth, reduces dryness and gives a natural smoothness. Together they make a perfect herbal shampoo straight from the garden to your home. So friends, you can store it in a clean bottle and keep it in the fridge for up to a week. So friends, that's the amazing ginger shampoo plant, a plant that's both beautiful and beneficial. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Half81 for more garden updates. फिर मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में किसी अलग टॉपिक पर। तब तक खुश रहिए और अपने प्लांट से प्यार कीजिए। हैप्पी गार्डनिंग। गो ग्रीन, ग्रो ग्रीन।